Hi, I'm Emily from Cedar Hill Garden Consulting. Right now, we are going to focus on 4 key elements to starting your garden. The first thing is going to be sunlight. Obviously, if you're going to grow plants, you've got to have some sun, and while you might not have a garden in an open field like this with 6+ hours of sun, you really want to have as much as possible. 4 is probably the minimum for things like leafy greens and lettuces and maybe some flowers, but as a rule of thumb, you really want to have about 6+ hours of full sun. The second key element would be the soil that you're working with. You really want to start out with a really good quality soil with maybe even a compost blend added to it, because we know that if we have good soil, that's going to feed our plants, which is going to feed us in turn. So think about what kind of soil you want to use and aim for an organic kind in your garden. The third key element is water. Water seems so common sense in a garden, but it often gets forgotten, and then our plants suffer for it. So figure out a way that you can get water consistently to your garden. Make sure that you put your garden somewhere near a hose spigot or have irrigation installed or something that's going to help you be diligent in watering your garden every day to support your plants. The fourth element is flowers. This may be a big light bulb moment for you like it was for me years ago, but I realized that vegetables need flowers. So many of our fruiting vegetables, like this massive zucchini behind me, they require pollinators. And if we don't have flowers to bring in the pollinators, we're not going to have zucchini and squash and all of those other things that we love to eat that require the good bugs in the garden. So have fun. You're not going to believe how much you love having flowers in your garden to cut from, to take to a friend, but more importantly, to bring in the pollinators to pollinate your vegetables. For more specifics on these 4 pillars, make sure you subscribe to the Kellogg Garden YouTube channel below.